All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. We are in the Fly and Ride garage, and I've got a quick install for you today. You see this Trask air cleaner right there? You see how nasty that thing looks? It's time to change this bad boy out. And of course, none other than Get Lowered hooked me up. The fastest shipping in the business. If you're in the New Jersey area, Pennsylvania, tri-state area, you got to make sure you go check them out. They are an awesome shop. Mike and his dad, I mean, they just run an awesome business. They did all of the work on this bike, and whenever you order anything from their website, I am telling you, it gets here. I think they have like drones flying these things in. I literally ordered that day before yesterday at night, and it already got here a day later. So awesome job, Get Lowered. Super quick install. I'm gonna show you how to do that here real quick in case you wanna sort of change this stuff out. And then the cool thing is, I'm gonna keep this one and then I'm gonna wash it out, and then in a future video, I'm gonna show you the process that we follow to actually wash this out, completely dry it out. So that way, I always have an extra one around, and when that gets dirty, I can sort of switch it back and forth. So let me unbox this here real quick for you and show you how nice this thing looks. Cut it a little bit. There you go. Oh yeah, there it is. Look how nice that looks. Brand new. It's already got the oil that it needs there. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace this thing. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Fly and Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride review, all on both of those motorcycles that you see right there. I also feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI Mavic 3 drone, and we do destination rides, group rides, all things here in the channel. I've got over 350 videos. You see the library right there. Do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. You can see the Fly and Ride wall of displayed. I've got some awesome products by Indie Ridge. I've got some awesome Beyond Riders gear over there. You can see it right there. And of course, all of the Fly and Ride merch. You see it right there. Hopefully, I should have the website up soon. If anybody's interested in purchasing, you're gonna wanna stay tuned for that. Let me just show you this here real quick. And we'll replace this air cleaner out. So basically, we just have to loosen all of these bolts right here. And these protectors come out, and then that air cleaner just comes out, and then the new one comes in. It's gonna be that easy to do. The cool thing is you only have to take the ones that have these little, I'm not sure what you call these, guides, levers. We're gonna loosen this one here. This comes off. Like that, like that. Comes right out, like that. That's it. I'm gonna put the new one in there. It goes like that. Get some Windex here and clean this bad boy. This guy goes like that. There. Beautiful. How nice that looks. That looks tight. That looks pretty awesome. And look, folks, it's that simple. Nothing to it. Super easy install. Special thanks again to Get Lowered. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.